Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. And today it's all about seafood. And this episode starts right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another great episode, and today it's all about seafood. Today I'm making some beautiful seafood cakes with flaky cod and jumbo shrimp. I've got the ingredients behind me. Let's go check them out. Okay guys, here are the ingredients for our yummy seafood cakes today. We have breadcrumbs, we have tricolor, half equal to half of green pepper, red pepper, and yellow. It equals to one large one. 2 eggs, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of ground mustard, teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, teaspoon of white pepper, black pepper, teaspoon of salt, half a beautiful yellow onion, 2 large cloves of garlic. I have some a tablespoon of salted pork. I have 2 celery stalks. I have a tablespoon and a quarter of Parmesan cheese, half a cup of mayonnaise, and look at this, you guys, some beautiful flaky cod and our jumbo shrimp. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back and we are at the stove. You hear that sizzle? Alright, so let me put my camera down. So what I did was, our salted pork is in the pan. So I'm going to go ahead and do what we call rendering it. I'm going to render some fat out of it. And once I render some fat out of it, I will take it out and I will add our butter. And this is going to be our fat to cook our cakes. What I did was, in this pan, you cover the water up to the cod, and you go ahead and you just let that cook for about 5-10 minutes, and you see how flaky it gets. You strain it with your strainer, make sure, and you put it in your plate. And this is what it looks like. Let me show you. Look at how flaky that beautiful fresh cod is. 1/4 teaspoon of deliciousness in this pan. Whew, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay guys, so now we are going to mix our cakes. Guys, I'm back and we are going to mix our ingredients. I'm going to lower my camera and I will speak as I'm mixing. Check this out. All right, here's our beautiful bowl. Now we have head. Okay, we have our cod and our shrimp are going in the bowl. Oh my God. Stuff drives me crazy. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna mix that up. Now we are going to throw in our peppers. Throw our peppers in there. Very simple. Our onions, half an onion, our garlic, 2 large minced cloves. I have 2 stalks of celery going in there. Alright, we've got our Parmesan cheese, tablespoon and a quarter of that. We have a teaspoon of salt. I have a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of dry mustard, teaspoon of paprika. Yum. I have a teaspoon of thyme. I have a teaspoon of black pepper and white pepper. Yes, that's right. Now I'm going to mix this up well before I put the eggs in there. My handy dandy, they look like surgical gloves. All right, so we got that. So now I'm going to go ahead and throw in our breadcrumbs. A cup of breadcrumbs, you guys. 1 cup is enough. Now comes the fun part. I'm going to crack 1 egg at a time in here. Make sure it's beautiful. You never want to throw anything into your ingredients without authorizing it. Egg is perfect. Drop it in. If you want to pre-mix your eggs before putting them in, that's fine too, but there's no need for that. So as you can see, there's nice big pieces of the shrimp. Probably use like maybe 10 to 15 jumbo shrimp. Just roughly chop them up. But look at that. Look at this, you guys. Look at all the texture in that. Okay guys, when I come back, we're gonna put these on the stove. They're gonna brown in no time. And you guys, you don't wanna miss this. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Got a fresh pair of gloves. Now, I have my butter in the pan with that delicious yum yum. That small little rendering we did of that small amount of the, look at this. You see that? You guys see that? Oh my God. It smells good. So now we're gonna grab our cakes. You don't wanna grab them too big. And we are gonna make them like little hamburger patties. Kind of like that, see? That's pretty good. So we're gonna do that. So remember, our breadcrumbs are gonna help. Our breadcrumbs, of course, and our eggs serve as our binder. Hey guys, I came back for 1 second and I wanna show you. I flipped them, they're very delicate. You have to be really, really delicate with them because they'll fall apart. Raw. See that if you notice that they're starting to fall a little bit apart, that's fine. Just, you know, just trying to just force them to stay together. Stay together, or I will put you on timeout. I'm just kidding. Hey guys, I'm back. Oh my, listen, when I cook with seafood, it makes me even more excited. Make them, the first batch, I have nothing to hide. I'm always honest with you guys. The first batch kind of fell apart a little bit. Why? Because I made them too big. So try not to make them too big. See that? And that's okay. It's still edible. My son still loves this. Still delicious. And when you're using your spatula, have a little backup. Have a friend, because they're so delicate when you flip them that you don't want them to fall apart. Even if you make crab cakes, I don't know if you have ever made made crab cakes. You play it by ear. Remember, there's water in the shrimp, water in the cod. It's a tiny bit, not a lot. So what I had to do was I had to add another cup of breadcrumbs, another like cup, or I think it was 3/4 of a cup. So just play it by ear. I used Italian breadcrumbs today. You can use panko. You can use any type of breadcrumbs that you like. I don't know if you guys agree, but I love the smell of that brown butter. Oh my God, it's so delicious. It's so nutty. I just love it. Anyway, back to where I was. I'm going to show you the crab cakes. When we come back, we're going to make my famous deviled sauce. Look how beautiful this is. Look at that. Look at my beautiful seafood cakes. Oh my God. I love it. Don't you love it? Okay. I'm going to catch my breath. I'm going to come back, make our deviled sauce. We are going to taste. And you guys, you do not, I repeat, do not want to miss this. This is so yum yum. For all you seafood lovers out there like me, delicious. Hey guys, I'm back and we're ready to taste. But first, our deviled sauce. 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon and a tablespoon and a half of yellow mustard, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. You guys know why I call it deviled sauce? Because this is what we use when we make deviled eggs. The mustard and the mayonnaise. Yum, yum, yum. Look at that. It's like a pale yellow. You see that? Oh my God. Oh, my mouth is so watery, you guys. We are ready to taste, you guys. And look at this. Check that out. Beautiful sauce on the bottom with the cakes and that rice. It's so beautiful. All right, grab my lime. Oh my goodness, can you guys believe that lime flew off my finger? Oh my God. I'll grab another one, sorry. No, it's actually funny. Squeeze some lime on it. Here goes nothing, you guys. Oh my God. You guys, the texture of that shrimp, how I just chopped it up coarse, so delicious, you guys. I'm gonna try it again just to make sure. Better than fresh garlic with rice. Oh my god, I always say it. Look at the size of this thing. Oh my god. Mm. 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 Makes it so creamy, the mayo inside that cake. Call it a crab cake, the seafood cake with that flaky cod and that coarsely chopped shrimp, because it's so much texture, and the crunch of the celery. Oh my god. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, feel free to subscribe, but don't forget the notification bell. That'll notify you every time I have a new video. And as always, my friends, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you then. Take good care. Bye.